Caution, content hot.
Welcome back to Random Rock Paints. We're going to be doing some more Valentine rocks. These are the materials I'm going to be using. I'm going to use river rock. These are acrylic painter markers. They mark on anything and they're water based. Other rock artists has recommended these. And this is a little water bowl. I keep the water clear so I can use it to thin out the paint. I have a regular jar of water set aside to clean my brush with. I'm going to be using Hemi watercolor paints. Now this is a little spray bottle I use to keep my Hemi paints nice and moist. You can let these dry out and they'll work just fine when you add water back to them. I love these paints. This is the paint tray that comes with this paint set. Put the paint on this side and on the other sides to mix my colors. I found some really cool dotting tools. There are different sizes. They also have a little brush on the other side, perfect for that small detail. And these are Hemi brushes. As you can tell, they're very used. I really love this round brush. It's about medium size. It came with the paint set. Now I'm going to sketch on the rock, put a base coat using multi-surface Folk Art titanium white. Let that dry really good, and then I will start painting. So let's get our Valentines on and make some love potion.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun. But our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind. Like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend.
I forgot to mention, got these really nice dot cards by Chuli Watercolors. You can find her on Etsy. I will put a link to her shop in my description below. These colors are amazing and it doesn't take much when you're doing rock paintings. I will be using her Jewel series, Lollipop series, and Fairy dot card. Now let's get back to painting.
On your face, it's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the worst is the pain when you
Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell. I have more rocks coming.
Caution. Content's hot.